Welcome back, and this is pretty much the stuff I usually use on my ARP9, which I got for Christmas. I have the orange tip taken off for a reason I will get to, but it obviously doesn't come with the stickers that I have on there or anything. But if you want a review on this gun, there are plenty out there, a lot of reviews on this gun. And just from playing with it once in an actual field and just shooting it in my backyard, I love it. So anyways, I obviously have the one in a silverish white, and let's see, the magazine, 300 round magazine. So that comes with the gun. When I got it, I got the gun, a charger, and a battery, which the battery it actually came with, which is the same thing as this, was overcharged by this charger. It was one flaw they had, but since it was e-bike, I contacted them and they instantly just shipped me a new battery. They said to try it out on the old charger, that charger, and if it does the same thing, just send back the charger too. But I have a new charger, so I'm just gonna keep using the new charger. But anyways, I also have another 7.4 LiPo. This came from a hobby shop. It was $25. And the charger, broken charger, was about, I think it was actually 20, yeah, same prices, 25, well, $24.95. Three-cell charger, those will go green. Anyways, the cord's in there. It's a good charger. This is a Magpul M-Lock hand stop kit, and so far I love it, since you can customize it however you want. And I put my hand pretty much like that. But besides that, I have a Magpul M-Lock rail section, but it's in that box, but I don't necessarily use it all the time. So this was, I believe, let me think, I think this was 10, so this was probably I think this was 15 bucks at, actually they were at Bass Pro. With that aside, this is same hobby shop, ARP9 mag, 60 round capacity. Beats great. And it does have a stopper right there, so it makes sure you use all your ammo. And it was $19.95. So, I mean, a little pricey compared to M4 mags, but since those are the only mags they can go with this gun, it's not that bad. This is a 45-degree Picatinny rail mount with a flashlight. I don't know really exactly. It's just a flashlight from Lowe's or something. It was pretty cheap. Got a little electrical tape right there, just so it fits in there nice. This right here, red dot, actually laser dot, was $8 on Amazon. I think it was around that much. Yeah, lucky for it. Next, this right here, extension kit for the battery, just so you can fit the battery in there. There's not much room in there because it has a MOSFET and a bunch of wiring. But that one, this actually comes free if you buy the ARP9 off e-bike, and this is $25 right here. Came free, which is really cool. This is like a $10 just off Amazon again. Scope protector. Oh, there's my phone. Pretty cool. It's cheaper than buying a new scope when it gets shot out. Next, off Amazon again. There's nothing wrong with buying off Amazon. I mean, there's a lot of people that say not to, with Airsoft related, but it doesn't make much difference to me. I mean, I'm going to buy the same stuff just about for like a more expensive price on whatever retailer, but yeah, it was on this riser. And I'll put this stuff all on the gun and add that into the video too, but that was like 30 bucks. It was really actually a cheap price. And last but not least, the Ace Tech lighter. So I bought an Ace Tech Lighter S off Amazon, again, the smaller one, same price, about $75. And I didn't know I had to take off the orange tip to actually be able to screw it on. We went to the same hobby shop where I got the battery and charger and stuff, and they took off the orange tip, gave me this one. We returned the one to Amazon. This one's a little bit bigger, which I actually kind of like it. A little bit bigger. Looks better, in my personal opinion, but, yeah. So, with that all said, I'm going to put all these stuff on right now. My ARP9. Flashlight, laser, red dot, scope protector, mag, battery extension,